guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here, and we are just kind of taking a break from freeze drying videos to celebrate September. That's right. So we're gonna sneak off and do this pumpkin recipe. It's gonna be awesome. First, it was pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. Okay, but then Tammy's like, "Oh, we bought these muffin tops. Just make muffin tops. That's like the best part of it, anyway." So. Welcome to pumpkin chocolate chip muffin tops. That's exactly what we're doing. So anyway, we're going to put this all together. So come on in close. Very few ingredients, and we should be into pumpkin. Okay, we're going to start over here. We got the pumpkin puree. We got brown sugar right here, vanilla, oil, pumpkin pie spice. Got the chocolate chips right here. Got your kosher salt. We got flour and baking soda. Basically, we're putting all the ingredients but the flour and the chocolate chips in here, and we're going to whisk it all together. So let's start with the pumpkin. Let's get that in there. Brown sugar. Put that in there. Here's our oil. Put that in there. There we go. All right. Here's our 2 eggs. I'm going to pour that in there. There we go. Drop. Drop. Good. Just all in there. All right. Our little bit of vanilla. Put that in there. It's our salt, our baking soda, and our pumpkin pie spice. We're going to drop that in there. That's all in there. We're going to mix this all up. Then we're going to gently fold in the flour and the chips, okay? Let's get this all mixed up first. And I'm going to take the flour. Going to mix that around. There we go. Going to take the chocolate chips, spread the love around there, put them all in. Probably more chocolate chips than we should have. You're going to gently fold it until there's no dry spots. All right. All right, let me show you about how much to put in here. So we're going to take some batter, put that in like that. Like that. Now we're not doing, that's 3/4 full if you're doing a cupcake pan. We're using muffin tops, so. Okay guys, we're letting them cool off right now. They just came out. They got a good color. They got a nice little crust forming on them. They're nice and firm, but they just don't look very muffiny. Does that make sense? You see a muffin like in a bakery and it's nice and smooth, but these look pretty cool. I mean, you can see right there, they're gonna cool just perfect. We got 2 trays worth. We're gonna try them in a minute. Maybe the pumpkin doesn't let them kind of smooth out. I don't know, but this smells amazing. It smells like chocolatey, pumpkin-y goodness. So we'll try these out in a minute, okay? Which one am I going to try? I'm going to take one of the uglier ones that I don't want my friends seeing I made. And this one's an ugly one. Let's try this one. All right, get it out of here. There we go. Smells good. All right, let's give it a try. This is the pumpkin chocolate chip muffin top is what we're calling them. So let's give it a try. They're not bad, but they're not great. I won't make this again. So I'm not going to ask you guys to make this. I'm going to be totally honest with you. They're good. They're edible, but they're not great. They're not worth keeping. They're not worth doing again. You like pumpkin and chocolate chip? Maybe you can make this even fancier. But yeah, I'm not going to put the effort out. So there's the proof that I am honest on my videos. And I will tell you if I'm not happy about something. And this could have been better. Not sure. Maybe needed butter in the mixture. I don't know. But it could have been better. So anyway, that's it. Can't recommend it. I love you guys. And what I can recommend is watching my next video.